Hello everyone, this is Benson from TDER Industry. Today I'm going to introduce a hot-style machine, one-turn mini excavator. This one is quite popular for home use. We start from the front part. For the front, you can choose different attachments such as stickers, hammers, buckets, rake, and so on. It depends on your work. Here are some sticks. This one is to control arms, and the slim one is to control the crawler. This machine can also use swing boom and expandable crawler for use. Let's have a look at the controls. Engine can be Euro 5 engine or EPA engine to meet your local emissions restrictions. If you have questions about it, please go ahead.